Let's review the QS30 PC speaker from Edifier. It has dual 2-inch drivers to provide stereo sound experience with splendid light effects na may 7 presets at pwede mong i-customize if ever na gusto mo. May built-in mic na din and ito yung sample.
Mic check. Hello, hello. Mic check. 1, 2, 3.
About naman sa Bluetooth, version 5.4 kaya stable and mabilis yung connection. Sa design, very sleek and aesthetic kaya sure nababagay sa setup mo. Meron din siyang top-mounted buttons na user-friendly. And kung itatanong mo kung wireless, unfortunately, plug and play siya. Lastly, to fully enjoy the features of this speaker, you need to download the application. Sa application na to, makikita mo yung 3 preset sound effects na music, gaming, and movie. Dito mo din makakustomize yung light effects. And dahil speaker to, dapat may sound test.